Wait. Here got chair blocking, you see? Oh, sorry. Okay. Wait ah. Who bought this? Doraemon. A cat-type robot from the 22nd century. Okay, seriously, I didn't know that. Then you got Doraemon, Nobita. What's this? Doramin. Shizuka. This was Sunomeo. What? Sunyo. Okay, Sunyo and Gen. Okay, let's open. Okay, good.
I think it's giant.
Oh yeah, okay, giant.
How I know?
G-I-A-N is like Gen, like Gen Peng. Okay. Wait, okay, so giant.
You know my friend is watching this YouTube video, right? They are going to watch this YouTube video.
Oh, okay, hi friends.
So you cannot. Okay, now
Hi,
let's open
Micaela's
it.
friends. You know, you must open up like the shop like that. And it was four here like that. Hey, no. Wow, no, the dotted line is like that. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Punch the dotted line first. Oops.
Broke the box.
Yeah, okay. NG 4. And then put that. Then you can imagine, oh my goodness, we are here at what do you call that? We are here at Hot Mart. And then no, you must fold this in. Hey, can you please be more professional? Fold this in, then we put in like that. And then you put in. And then Daddy's going to show you how to open a secret again. Ta-da! Okay. Hey, wait. Okay, who go first?
Me.
Okay.
I can predict. This one will be Doraemon.
Doremi. No, Doremi is which one you must show.
This guy.
No, then here, behind the box.
They know.
Doremi.
Okay, you don't need to tell everybody.
Actually, it's not Doramin.
No, it's Doraemon.
Because Doraemon is D-O-R-A-E.
Oh man, it's not Doraemon.
Yeah, then this is D-O-R-A. No E. So it's Doramin.
It's this guy.
As in Gian or Gian. Or what's his name?
Never mind.
Gian.
Never
Giant.
mind. Yeah, it's this
Is it
guy.
giant?
Oh man, it's this guy. It's the ugly guy.
What's the secret?
There's no secret. There's no secret.
Huh? There's no secret. How where got fun? Okay, I show you. Later I open this one inside got Labubu. Okay, wait, got secret or not? Okay, I show you how to open Doraemon. This one is Doraemon.
No, this one is Doraemon. This one then is Doraemon.
Okay, see ready? No, my turn.
No, this is Doraemon. We need Doraemon first.
Doraemon. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then Wow, ASMR.
I see the card.
Okay, I never see the card. Wait. Hey, why this one no effort Like the Labubu one got like Labubu, then got like this one like
Faster, go on.
this one like open Maggie B the packet like that.
Aha, not Doraemon.
Okay, this is this Shizuka. Okay, so we got Shizuka.
Wait, keep quiet.
Where's your mic? You never put your mic.
这是什么？
Oh, okay. The card.
This guy.
Nobita. I thought Nobita is that, like, is this not air purifier brand? Or water purifier brand? Nobita, okay. Can we show you? This is Doraemon. I shake, I know it's blue color.
No, this is definitely Doraemon. 100% Doraemon. No, this is Doraemon.
Doraemon, ah.
It's not Doraemon.
Doraemon! Sunio.
This is Doraemon. 100%.
Okay, Sunio.
Okay, this is Doraemon. This will be Doraemon.
Are you sure? It's the Doraemon girlfriend.
Yes! Doraemon! You see? I beat you.
Okay, this one is. Okay, you open this one, right?
It's this guy.
The Doramin. It cannot be Doramin because
No, it's Doremi.
you see the spelling.
Doremi. Oh, okay, never mind.
Dorae, right? Then is Dore. Right? This is Dora, so it's Dora. Like Dora the Explorer. So it's Doramin.
Okay, very smart.
Secret.
There's no secret.
Then where got fun? This one no secret. Then the wrapper like macam open instant noodle packet. Somehow I don't eat
It's a
instant noodle.
brand called Mr. Noodle.
Okay, I open. Eh, why? Can you imagine you open you never get the last one. What, that one super suay. Okay, then you put here. Okay, we put the boyfriend girlfriend one here. Put on top. Okay, then open this. Okay, when are we going to do our review of all the toys we have? Doraemon and Doramin. Okay, so can everyone see? Where's the card?
Oh, you want the card?
Yeah, put there. Doraemon.
Then you take all the boxes, obviously, all the...
Oh, it's inside. Okay. Okay, put here. Display. Okay, so that's our unboxing of the Doraemon that looks like
Instant noodles.
the packet really look like instant noodle. The packet or like
The
no effort.
thing dropped.
Okay, seriously the person who did this blind box I need to tell you that you need to put in more effort in this silver color thing cause this one really no effort. Super no effort. Yeah, so that's our unboxing of the Doraemon Pass Loop. A cat-type robot from the 22nd century Doraemon Pass Loop Doraemon secret gadget. Unboxing. Are we done? We got nothing already. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video.